everybody!
Hi, everybody!
Come to Sparkles.
Sparkles.
Sparkling up the place.
Yes.
On
yes,
a Tuesday.
on a
I mean,
Tuesday.
it's early in the week, but sometimes you need some sparkle in your life.
Oh.
Just saying.
That's the only time Joel is ever nice to me, everybody. Just so we all know.
Well,
right, Joel?
when you sparkle up?
When I sparkle. Otherwise, he's not. Hi, everybody! How are you? You good? You guys look so nice from the Shortwood Teachers College.
Yes!
Yes! Joel, you're the worst. Welcome to Daytime Live. It's Tuesday. But hang on a second. Can you believe that the month is almost over already?
I can't believe it. I'm just looking forward to the 25th.
How are you? What's happening on the 25th?
That's like payday.
Payday.
I'm just saying.
I thought you were referring to our 30-day challenge because we're doing this thing for 30 days that we do 200 push-ups, 200 jumping jacks,
100 jumping jacks,
yes,
and 100 crunches.
I am on day 8. Joel is on day 25.
25.
Because I don't do it most of the time.
Craig, I think Dufton is finished.
No, it's day 30. We're at day 26. Anyway, it's almost over. We're almost done.
Don't forget to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live. And on Facebook, drop us a like at TVJ Daytime Live.
And if you want to be a part of our studio audience live, like Shortwood Teachers College, log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed. Or you know what? You can just come on by,
and remember, you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com or go on YouTube and search Daytime Live. Okay, let's get buzzing.
All right, what's buzzing? So, superstar fashion designer Karl Lagerfeld has died at the age of 85 in Paris. Now, the German designer, who was the creative director for Chanel and Fendi, was one of the industry's most prolific figures, and he actually worked up until his death. Now, his Chanel label has said, as one of the most prolific and admired designers of modern times, Lagerfeld's influence on the fashion industry is unparalleled. Known fondly in fashion circles as the Kaiser, that's due to his German heritage, you know what I mean, the Kaisers. Yeah. He was famously uncompromising in his fashion design vision. He actually once declared, sweatpants are a sign of defeat. You lost control of your life, so you bought some sweatpants, right? So that's what he said, which I think is really brave to say.
If you want to wear sweatpants, you just wear sweatpants. I'm just saying.
I was going to say, like, sweatpants is very fashionable with some Ugg boots or some boots or some sneakers. You know what I'm saying? No, he said no to sweatpants. Don't like it.
No to sweatpants?
Our cameraman is like, we don't like sweatpants. All right. But he felt that you've lost control of your life, which I think is interesting. Now, in January, he missed the Chanel Couture show in Paris, fueling speculation about his health. Now, according to reports, he was admitted to the American hospital in Paris on Monday night. The cause of death is not yet known. Lagerfeld also designed collections for his own brand, and he collaborated with high street brand H&M, which is actually like a fave of mine. And I remember that I used to buy some of his stuff. It was quite good. It was quite funky. It was good colors.
Out of the box.
Out of the box. I like that.
Yeah,
I like that. So, rest in peace. I was going to say R.I.P. But
okay, let's bring it home. So the Sagicor Sigma Corporate Run 2019 has surpassed its fundraising target, accumulating almost $53 million. Now, for the 3 beneficiaries, the charity event was aimed at really bringing some funds to the Lupus Foundation of Jamaica, the Diabetes Association of Jamaica, and the Mapin Hospital Neonatal Care Unit. The funds raised was announced by President and CEO Christopher Zaka at the start line on race day on Sunday. Now, the sum was achieved through registration of a record-breaking 27,028 participants for the Caribbean's largest road race, as well as through sponsorship, donations, and a series of fundraising activities leading up to the culminating event. This brings to over 300 million monies raised for various child-related and health charities through the annual Sigma Corporate Run, which is now in its 21st year. Amazing job by the Sigma family. If you guys were there, the numbers that came out to run, you know, and this is something that has become a signature event. And I just, like, when corporate entities do things like this is just really, really good that they're giving back, you know, to the country and giving back in any way possible, successively and also consistently. So big up Sigma.
Now, congratulations to Asafa Powell. Well, our executive producer definitely likes Asafa Powell, right? Yes! Who tied the knot with his longtime girlfriend, Alicia Miller. Now, the two tied the knot in a private ceremony last Saturday in Montego Bay, St. James, in the presence of close friends and family members. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but back in the day, way back in the day, he used to be like my, yeah. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, man,
like,
trust me, when the show just started.
You know what I mean, right? She's like, no.
Yeah,
so,
I was just.
You remember? I was like, yeah.
You know, every month, MC.
Yes.
I'm like, okay.
Man Crush Monday. It was Monday at the time.
And then
like,
it was just.
Yes.
Yeah,
he was like over it.
I just couldn't bother.
He's cute. I'm just saying. Congratulations, anywho.
Speaking of marriage, now we found this
Speaking
interesting publication from Quartzy, which discussed the taboo of long-term partners who choose to sleep in different beds. Now, persons are saying, why is it still frowned upon if you're and seen as if you're having an issue or something bad is going on in your relationship? When in fact, some couples like to sleep separately so that they can probably avoid a critic, give each other some space, and probably sleep better. So this is interesting to add to the buzz. What's your take on that, Nisha? Yeah? Because this article is like blowing up now. They're saying, you know, is this really taboo?
Is it though?
Is something?
Do you guys think it's okay to sleep apart? What do you think? Here's my thing. One of the nicest things about being in a relationship is that when you can just snuggle up and go to sleep, right?
No, but
that's like the nicest part. Don't get me wrong though. Throughout the night, you push him, man. You say, move now, man, and you curl up by yourself. But you start off with a little snuggle, right? So the idea that he's over there in the next room, what when I need some water? Babe! Can you? No, man.
Catch it and push it on your side table.
So he brings it there before to start.
I don't know.
But I know people say, though, that people who are in good long-term marriages, they live in separate houses. I've heard that.
Or joined houses, but you just have...
They live in the back.
Some time apart, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't see anything wrong
I'll
with that.
keep you posted. So I'm gonna try it, and I'll let you all know if it's true or not. I don't know.
But that's interesting to add to the buzz. We saw it and we were like, okay then, is this really taboo? So we just decided to like, you know.
Is it taboo? What was our answer? Is it
feel
taboo?
To each their own.
Yeah.
Because you have some people who just really don't like sleeping with anybody else.
And you have some people
like,
that are really miserable and you need some time
and
away
all
from
they
them.
need is
You
2
love
pillow.
them, but sometimes you need some time.
Sometimes all you need is your 2 pillows. I sleep with 3 pillows. I think that's enough.
I do too. I hug one, I have one on my head, I have one
And
between
one,
my
yeah.
legs. Yes! Was that too excited? I'm just saying. I thought it was just me. Okay. Also, shout out to the city of New York, who just made it illegal to discriminate based on a person's hair. Stating the right to maintain natural hair, treated or untreated hairstyles such as locks, cornrows, twists, braids, bantu knots, fades, afro, and or the right to keep your hair in an untrimmed or uncut state.
This is very interesting.
What do we think about that? What do we think about that? Yes?
You know, this is a topic that is always, you know, trending, especially locally, because we've seen stories where kids are sent home because of locks, or remember this case with the child, them talk about lice and some other stuff like that. So it's, I mean, we have a far way to go, but honestly, you have some corporate entities, you have some, I'm not sure about the institutions, but it's not important. It's not seen as important. For example, my workplace, if you guys have been watching this show, like, this is probably my 5th change. I look normal now, and I'm trying to figure out what to do next. Hair should not be a part of determining if you hire somebody, if you dress code and all of that. It's not helping to get the job done. And I'm happy that I work somewhere that facilitates that. You have green here, you have pink here, and all of that.
Because I remember,
really ready though?
I remember there was an article about Harrods in England back in the day, and this girl was asked to leave. She was fired purely because she had natural hair. Okay,
yeah. Trust me,
and she was fired. It was like, I don't understand.
And whatever, you have a nice fro, and oh, this is unkept, and where you going to come in here? Listen, when I had the
or locks, or
I was asked several times when I had the you know the
high fade.
Yes, I was asked, oh, when are you going to come in here? I'm like.
But I remember one time though, in good Jamaica that I was I had my big afro. You guys, I don't know if you see, check my Instagram when I had my afro out. And somebody was like, "You're so pretty, man. If you would just comb your hair." I was like,
And these are just
you know how
general,
long it takes to comb out your hair to get it in an afro?
these are just general
it's well
sideline
done.
comments that you do get, and especially in the institutions as well. But I mean, it begs the question: are we going to get to a place where something as simple as hair is not a part of the discourse?
Yeah.
When it comes down to going to a school
Yeah.
or whatever. No, I understand that in terms of uniformity and looking, but what exactly is looking the part? Like, what is
Yeah.
it? What
But
about
let's
what
talk
is this
about the
colonial
suits.
thing?
Are we going to get it as far as talking about like why is it wearing a suit is a sense of success, or you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
We're going to
Yeah.
talk about it though in a chat topic coming up very soon because that's going to be very interesting.
like places in Africa, what's their thoughts on
Yeah.
having natural hair? You
Yeah.
know. So let's talk about that.
So it's time for shout outs. Daytime shout out. Daytime
Mm-hmm.
shout out coming from Parker Rosemary. Daytime shout out to my baby daddy. Well, her baby daddy. Jordan.
Not my baby
Hold on,
daddy.
I say Jordan / Ian. It's two baby daddy. Okay. Love you, baby from. Okay, this one confusing. Brittany Bryson. Shout out to all the Daytime Life crew. Just want to hug up my angel, which is my mom. Aww.
Aw. Oh, me?
Yeah.
Okay. Roxine Chin says, want to shout out to my son, Don Don. And my niece, my nice clean auntie Shirley. Yes, that's from Roxine Chin. Also, I have Platinum Girl Sasha Davis. Yes, Platinum. Says, tomorrow is my mommy birthday, so I want Daytime Life to big her up and shout out to Mommy Marcia over there in Mineral Heights.
All right, I have a really nice one coming in that was handwritten because that's how we get these things coming in. Big up and shout out to my Daytime Life family. You are like therapy to my after. You're like therapy to me. After much grief, I have experienced losing my home, loss of my brother and father in the same year. Love is so magnificent. I love you all. Coming from Joanne. This is great. This is great.
Joanne is here in the audience.
This
She's
is
our
great.
resident in the audience all
Yes.
the time. Joanne, we love you. We love you. Thank you for being a part of our family.
Yeah, man.
Now, Daytime Live, guys, we're going to be right back because Orville Hall is here talking about the new season of Dancing Dynamites. Join us after the break.